is down to 2. No!
Magandang umaga, kaibigan. Ito na naman tayo bago simula.
Level here at the Araneta Coliseum. Watch Danny and Andy go up in the air. Who says Dynamite Danny finally finding the explosion he needs. And as San Miguel, just a few.
Nagniningning ang pangarap ng iyong pusong humihiling. Nakalimutan ng kahapon. Sana
Wala. Andy Siegel is there. Oh, hinamon ang kanyang kapatid. Bro, 8-year pro.
Ito na si Danny Siegel.
Lusot. Patay na. Danny's ahead. Here's Dynamite exploding to the basket. Bukan, pag-ganyan-ganyan na lamang pero makikita mo, ayun, bumulong papasok yung tira ni Siegel. Siegel, high up in the air.
No dump. 11 seconds remaining. Second quarter pa na mga kaibigan. Brandon Pablay. Looking out for...
Magiging kampiyon ng Governor's Cup. Supply. Siegel goes up. He is standing.
The coaching will determine also here the timing of the game. No?